music in G.
Hello cuties, welcome to Kids Century. Train is one of the land transport. From our childhood, we are playing with toy trains and everyone likes to travel on the train. In this video, we are going to learn different types of trains. Let's start. Metro rail, trams, steam locomotive train, rail car, rapid transit, rail bus, rack railway, bullet train, passenger train, monorail, diesel locomotive train, light rail, funiculars, freight train, electric locomotive train.
Subscribe Kids Entry and enjoy with Kids Entry videos.